Now when you connect the software, you can see those. We need to add the pages first. Press add and press the ID. For example, I will use 5. Okay, you can give the pager a name. And you can choose the color about the pager it shows. And the group you can set. Now it's only the default. And you can also make some note about this pager, so you know that this pager information. And if you don't need to make any note for this pager, you just press register. As you know, when you press register, you need to put the pagers on the transmitter here, and put the pager there outside the this place, so it can pair automatically. Okay, after you put the pager number 5 on the transmitter, about that IR signal, and it will shows the pager add here, and I will add another one. And you can see like this, put this part up, this part 6. After you press register, and you need to take the pager out of the charting base and put it on the transmitter. If you didn't put the pager outside the transmitter, it will not add. I'll add another one. You don't have to set the name if you don't have one. Okay, now it's already here. And if you want to set the groups, you can add a group. I just do it for example. And then you can, if you want to add pager here, you can press this one and press add. And at this moment you can see that you can choose the different group to add the pagers. Okay, now after that we can add the pagers to this list. You can also create another group. Okay, now at this moment you need to add the pager first, and you can see I just add 5, 6, 9 at the pager place, so we can add 5 here. Okay, you can see now the 5 is here, and this is the name you give the pager. Add another one, 9. Okay, you can see the number is 9. As I don't put the name, so you can see it's the number only. And here I can add another pager. 5, 6 left. Okay, you can choose the group. Now we put it here. After this, and you can press this to code the pager. And you can code them at the same time if they are the same message. Just like this, it's default. And if you choose all 3, and it will show like this. And you can enter the message directly less than 56 English letters, or you can choose the message you said before. Okay, I said one before. I'll press OK. Okay, now the pages will receive the message, and you can operate to have a try. Okay, and at this moment you can check the preset message, and here if you want to add add message. Okay, then when you call here, you can choose. Okay, you can set 9 messages in at once, and here's the record I just call, and you can see here. And on the pager you can also choose the setting, and this is the setting for the keypad transmitter, and here's the data you can set. Okay, that's it. If you have any other question, let me know.